Welcome to Fully Bright in 10. Here we will get it right, get bright, and stay bright. In this video, we'll look at understanding the concepts of opportunity cost, scarcity, and choice. So let's get bright. Firstly, opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is what you give up to get something else. Let's look at it this way. What would you be doing now if you were not watching this video? Sleeping, cooking, swimming, or would you be playing a game? So based on our definition, sleeping, cooking, swimming, or playing a game is what you would give up, and watching this video is something else. Can you think of any specific things you give up to go to school or work? Remember, whatever you give up is the opportunity cost of going to school or work. Now let's turn our attention to scarcity. Scarcity means that there are not enough resources to satisfy unlimited wants. Remember, do not confuse this with shortage. Shortage occurs when demand exceeds supply. Now let's look at choice. Choice is the decision that must be made with regards to what goods or services to buy to satisfy consumption, or what goods or services to provide given available options. So you have to decide what to buy given what is available. Did you know you can relate opportunity cost, scarcity, and choice? Of course you can. Let's create a scenario. You get a job at the local library after school. You get paid a limited amount of money at the end of each week, but you have many things you want to buy before you get your next paycheck. So you must choose to buy only the things that will make you the happiest right now. The items you cannot buy, you will have to give up until you get your next paycheck. Now, challenge yourself and create your own scenario. Did you understand opportunity cost, scarcity, and choice? Can you relate all three? I bet you can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fully Bright in 10, where we get it right, get bright, and stay bright.